Let's face it, the solar sales landscape has become exceedingly competitive. And maybe you don't want to simply compete and survive, you'd really love to thrive. So how do you set your solar company apart? Perhaps using better components. Well, let's face it, those are easy for anyone to source these days. Maybe compete at price per watt. Again, let's face it, you can only move that needle so far before you're doing it for practice. And I have a feeling you're all practiced up. What if there was a component set that you could add that would allow you to get the max capability out of your solar array? What if a reduced amp draw on major energy hogs like air conditioners, refrigerators, and freezers? Introducing the Prime Power Box. The Prime Power Box is a complete energy management system designed to get the most bang for buck out of the solar array, to lower amp draw on energy hogs, while protecting the family from EMF and dirty electricity. Dirty electricity is gaining much ground in social media these days. The energy management system was designed to clean, regulate, and filter the ill effects of dirty electricity, protecting home and family, while optimizing solar production and lowering energy hogs. Reach out to Prime Power today to learn more about the energy management system from Prime Power at 916-246-2461 or find us on the web at primepowerbox.com. Thank you.